I bet you didn't know how vast and mysterious our solar system truly is. The solar system is our neighborhood in space. It is made up of the sun and everything that orbits around it. This includes 8 planets, their moons, dwarf planets, and many smaller objects like asteroids and comets. These celestial bodies travel around the sun in paths called orbits. Our solar system is just one of many in the Milky Way galaxy, but it is special to us because it is our home. Understanding the solar system helps us learn more about the universe and our place in it. Each planet and object has unique features and stories to tell. The solar system is vast. It stretches from Mercury, the closest planet to the sun, all the way to the outer edges where icy bodies like Pluto reside. By studying the solar system, we can see how our planet fits into the larger cosmos. Exploring the solar system is like going on an incredible journey. Each stop offers new wonders and mysteries. So let's embark on this journey and discover what makes each planet unique and fascinating. The sun is the heart of our solar system. It is a giant ball of hot gas, mainly hydrogen and helium. The sun's energy gives us light and warmth, making life on Earth possible. Without the sun, there would be no life as we know it. The sun is huge. It is so big that about 1 million Earths could fit inside it. The sun's gravity holds the solar system together. It keeps the planets, moons, and other objects in their orbits. The sun is about 4.6 billion years old and will shine for another 5 billion years. The sun goes through cycles of activity. Sometimes it has lots of sunspots and solar flares, which can affect us on Earth. These solar storms can disrupt satellites and power grids. Scientists study the sun to predict these events and protect our technology. The sun is not just important for light and heat, it also helps drive the weather and climate on Earth. By understanding the sun, we learn more about how our planet works and how to protect it. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It orbits the sun in just 88 days. Mercury is small, only slightly larger than our moon. It has a rocky surface with many craters. Because Mercury is so close to the sun, it experiences extreme temperatures. This makes Mercury a planet of extremes. Scientists think this may be due to its large iron core. Despite its fast orbit, a day on Mercury lasts 176 Earth days. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, and is similar in size to Earth. However, Venus has a thick atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide. This atmosphere traps heat, making Venus the hottest planet in our solar system. The thick clouds of Venus are made of sulfuric acid. These clouds reflect the sun's light, making Venus very bright in our sky. Sometimes Venus is called the morning star or evening star. Section 5. Earth, our home. Earth is the third planet from the sun, and the only one known to support life. It has a perfect balance of water, atmosphere, and temperature to sustain living organisms. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water, mostly in oceans. Earth's atmosphere is made up of nitrogen, oxygen, and other gases. This atmosphere protects us from harmful solar radiation and helps regulate our climate. The presence of water and the right chemical ingredients have allowed life to flourish here. Earth has one natural satellite, the Moon. The Moon's gravity affects our tides and stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, which helps regulate our seasons. Earth also has a magnetic field that protects us from solar winds and cosmic radiation. Our planet is constantly changing due to processes like plate tectonics, weathering, and erosion. These processes shape the landforms and affect the environment. Understanding Earth helps us protect our environment and ensure a sustainable future for all living beings. Section 6. Mars, the red planet. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is often called the red planet because of its reddish appearance. This color comes from iron oxide or rust on its surface. Mars is a rocky planet with a thin atmosphere, mostly carbon dioxide. Mars is home to the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which is about 3 times the height of Mount Everest. It also has the largest canyon, Valles Marineris, which is over 2,500 miles long. Mars has seasons like Earth because it has a similar tilt on its axis. However, its seasons are about twice as long due to its longer orbit around the Sun. Mars also has polar ice caps made of water and carbon dioxide. Scientists are very interested in Mars because it may have once had conditions suitable for life. They have found evidence of ancient rivers, lakes, and possibly oceans. Future missions aim to find signs of past or present life on Mars. Section 7. Jupiter, the giant planet. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in our solar system. It is a gas giant made mostly of hydrogen and helium with no solid surface. Jupiter is so big that all the other planets could fit inside it. Jupiter has at least 79 moons, with the four largest being Ganymede, Callisto, Io, and Europa. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system, even bigger than Mercury. Europa is of particular interest because it may have a subsurface ocean that could harbor life. One of Jupiter's most famous features is the Great Red Spot, a giant storm that has been raging for at least 400 years. This storm is so large that 3 Earths could fit inside it. Jupiter also has rings, but they are faint and made of small particles. Jupiter's strong magnetic field creates intense radiation belts around it. These can be dangerous for spacecraft and anything that gets too close. Studying Jupiter helps us understand more about the formation of our solar system and giant planets. Section 8. Saturn, the ringed planet. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and is known for its beautiful rings. Like Jupiter, Saturn is a gas giant made mostly of hydrogen and helium. Its rings are made of ice and rock particles ranging from tiny grains to large chunks. Saturn is the 2nd largest planet in our solar system. It has at least 82 moons, with Titan being the largest. Titan is bigger than Mercury and has a thick atmosphere. It also has lakes and rivers of liquid methane and ethane. Saturn's rings are very wide but thin, only about 30 feet or 10 meters, thick in some places. They are divided into several main rings labeled A, B, and C, among others. The gaps between the rings are created by the gravitational influence of Saturn's moons. Saturn has a fast rotation, completing a day in just about 10.7 hours. This rapid rotation causes the planet to have a noticeable bulge at its equator. Saturn's magnetic field is not as strong as Jupiter's, but still significant. Section 9. Uranus, the sideways planet. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun and is unique because it rotates on its side. This unusual tilt gives Uranus extreme seasons. Each pole gets about 42 years of continuous sunlight, followed by 42 years of darkness. Uranus is an ice giant, made mostly of water, ammonia, and methane ices along with hydrogen and helium. The methane gives Uranus its blue-green color. Uranus has a faint ring system and at least 27 known moons. One of the interesting features of Uranus is its magnetic field, which is tilted and offset from the planet's center. This causes the magnetic field to behave in unusual ways compared to other planets. Uranus was the first planet discovered with a telescope by William Herschel in 1781. Studying Uranus helps scientists understand more about the formation and evolution of ice giant planets. Section 10. Neptune, the windy planet. Neptune is the 8th and farthest planet from the Sun in our solar system. It is similar in composition to Uranus and is also an ice giant. Neptune is known for its deep blue color, caused by the presence of methane in its atmosphere. Neptune has the strongest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of over 1,200 miles per hour or 2,000 kilometers per hour. These winds create large storms like the Great Dark Spot, which is similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. Neptune has 14 known moons, with Triton being the largest. Triton is unique because it orbits Neptune in the opposite direction of the planet's rotation. Triton also has geysers that spew icy material from beneath its surface. Neptune's discovery in 1846 was based on mathematical predictions rather than direct observation. Its study helps scientists learn more about the outer regions of our solar system and the behavior of distant planets. Section 11. Dwarf planets and small solar system bodies. Besides the 8 major planets, our solar system has many other interesting objects. Dwarf planets like Pluto, Eris, Haumea, Makemake, and Ceres are smaller than the main planets, but still orbit the Sun. Pluto, once considered the 9th planet, is the most famous dwarf planet. Dwarf planets are found in regions like the Kuiper Belt, a zone beyond Neptune filled with icy bodies. The asteroid belt, located between Mars and Jupiter, contains many rocky objects. The largest asteroid, Ceres, is also a dwarf planet. Comets are icy bodies that develop bright tails when they approach the Sun. They come from regions like the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud, a distant area filled with icy objects. Comets give us clues about the early solar system. Asteroids and comets can sometimes come close to Earth. Studying these objects helps us understand the risks and protect our planet. They also offer insights into the building blocks of our solar system. Section 12. Conclusion. The importance of exploring the solar system. Exploring our solar system helps us understand our place in the universe. Each planet teaches us about the solar system's formation and evolution. From Mercury to Neptune, each journey adds to our knowledge. Studying the solar system helps us learn about Earth. Comparing our planet to others shows why Earth is special. The search for life drives scientific discovery and future exploration. This knowledge could help humans live on other worlds. The solar system is full of mysteries waiting to be discovered.